In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive a list in Clickup in just 5 minutes. This process is incredibly straightforward and is an essential skill for anyone looking to manage their projects more efficiently in Clickup. Whether you are tidying up your workspace or reconsidering previously shelved plans, unarchiving lists can help reinstate crucial tasks and information back into your active workspace. So let's dive right in and I'll guide you through every step of the way. First, we'll begin by navigating to your Clickup homepage. If you have multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the right one where your archived list is located. This is crucial because Clickup organizes tasks, documents, and lists under specific workspaces, and finding your archived list requires you to be in the correct context. Next, once on your homepage, you'll want to direct your attention to the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. Here you'll find a series of icons, including one labelled Spaces. Click on the Spaces icon. Spaces in Clickup help you segment your projects and tasks into manageable areas, and it's under one of these spaces that your archived list resides. After you have accessed Spaces, the next thing you need to do is locate the option to Show Archived. This might not be immediately visible since Clickup defaults to showing only your active items to keep your workspace clear and free from clutter. Enabling Show Archived is akin to lifting the curtain on all items that have been put away for potential later use, including the list you are aiming to resurrect from its archive state. Upon enabling Show Archived, your view will expand to include not only your active lists and tasks, but also those that are archived. It's within this broader view that you will locate your archived list. Once you find it, you'll notice that each archived item, including your list, has a clearly marked Restore button associated with it. This button is your magic wand for the day, and with a simple click you can unarchive your list. Clicking on the Restore button unarchives your list, making it reappear in its original location within your Clickup workspace or folder. It's like turning back the clock, except in this case you're bringing forward tasks and plans once put on hold back into your active workspace where they can be once again worked upon or modified as per current needs. A couple of tips to remember. Firstly, consider reviewing the contents of your list before unarchiving. This can be a good practice to ensure that all tasks or items on the list are still relevant or require updating. Secondly, keep in mind the structure of your current workspace. Unarchiving a list will reintegrate it into its prior location, so ensuring that it still fits within your current organizational scheme can save you time rearranging later on. In closing, understanding how to unarchive lists in Clickup not only enhances your project management flexibility, but also allows you to revisit and revitalize projects or tasks that were previously paused. This feature supports dynamic task management and ensures your workspace can adapt to changing priorities or insights, all while keeping your historical data intact and accessible. So there you have it. You've successfully learned how to unarchive a list in Clickup step by step. I hope this guide has been informative and has empowered you to manage your Clickup workspace more effectively. Whether it's revisiting old plans or keeping your workspace organized, the ability to unarchive lists is an invaluable tool in your project management toolkit. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher, and happy unarchiving.